There are two types of off-campus work authorizations for F1 students: Curricular Practical Training, CPT, and Optional Practical Training, OPT. Before graduation, students can use CPT. In order to apply for CPT, students must have a job offer, and ISSS can issue the work authorization in a couple weeks. Optional Practical Training, OPT, is for after graduation. Most of the students apply for OPT without a job offer because the entire process can take 4 to 6 months. This is because students have to obtain a new I-20 from ISSS and file the application materials with the United States Citizens and Immigration Services, USCIS. Both CPT and OPT application process requires the academic advisors to review and verify the student's request electronically. Students will enter academic advisor's name and email address when filling out the online form. Email to advisor will come from isss@umn.edu.